In Google Docs, you can insert a slide from a Google Slides presentation. You can link the slide in your document to the original presentation. When the slide is updated in Google Slides, you can automatically update it in Google Docs. In this lesson, you'll learn how to paste slides from a Google Slides presentation into your document. First, in Google Slides, click the slide you want to insert. Next, click the Edit menu and select Copy. Now, go to your Google Doc and click where you want to insert the slide. Click the Edit menu and select Paste. In the window that opens, you have two pasting options. Choose Link to Presentation to be able to update the inserted slide as changes are made to it in Google Slides. Choose Paste on Link to add the slide as an image that can't be changed. For this lesson, we'll choose Link to Presentation. If the slide is changed in Google Slides, an Update button will appear in your document. Click Update and the slide in your document will match the one in Google Slides. Slides that are linked to a presentation will have a Linked Slides option menu. Click the slide to see the menu. You can unlink the slide from the presentation or open the presentation that it's linked to. You now know how to insert a slide into your document.